you have to give it to Joe Shimoda, P7, a pretty damn good result for the day and or night he had. If you missed this, this is from San Diego. He has two broken fingers on his clutch hand. It's not exactly the best way you want to be riding a motorcycle. Clutching, gotta be painful.
Of
Gripping the
those
bike,
main
gotta
events,
be
you can see
painful.
how important
Landing,
it is to
gotta
get
be
out to an
painful.
early
And this is it
start.
right
That all
here.
took a
He's going
disastrous
down
turn. You're
the
going to see Joe
pit
Shimoda
straight, whatever
catch
you
an
want to call it,
errant
and just
pit board to his
collects
left
a pit board.
hand. That's his clutch
There's a
hand.
lot of
He's
people,
got two
you know,
broken
saying,
fingers on
"Oh, it
that
was
left
Deegan.
hand.
Oh, it was this." Deegan's. I guess you can take this how you want. Deegan's mechanic Duffy said, "No, it's not me. It was apparently Cody Shocks. You know, who knows if that's true or not, but this is what his hand looked like. I think this is after the race at the end of the night, and you gotta say that looks insanely painful. Those are two very badly broken fingers, and to race with those, you know, one finger taped up completely, you know, the middle fingers having to be that close together, just the pain of it has to be insane. And sadly, obviously from this finishing P7, he did end up losing the point lead. I believe he is third now, like 7 points back. But you gotta say, this is probably one of this is the championship ride. if if he ends up winning this title, this is the ride that will say, you know, he toughed it out, he collected some points, he mitigated the damage. This is the ride that would have or would be the, you know, the one you look at and say this was where he earned it. Now, who knows if he's actually going to win the title? That's not here nor there at the moment, but you got to say awesome ride from Joe Shimoda to one, gut it out. Two, we'll see where it goes. I mean, obviously, he's going to have a couple days off, I would assume, this week. See how bad those fingers really are, you know, what they're going to do with them. I mean, they're broken fingers. You can't really do much, but, you know, splints or whatnot they're going to do maybe. And it's just, you got to say, that is some serious guts to go out there, still race hard, still finish well, still be competitive. I mean, obviously, you're going to expect him to win with that, but, and obviously, it's just the drama thing. Everyone's thinking immediately. The first thought is that it's Deegan's thing, and if you look, it's everyone blaming. Oh, that was intentional. Oh, that was this, and like, there's no way that's intentional. It's the riders trying to use as much of the course as they possibly can, so they get a better entry into the corner, and the guys in the pits, the mechanics, only have so much room. They have people in front of them. They have to get their boards out for their riders, and then immediately back. And if somebody's coming by you at 30, 40 miles an hour on a dirt bike and they're that close to you, it's going to be close. And I I cannot believe, no matter who it was, whether it was a star mechanic or anybody else, any other manufacturer, team, rider, doesn't matter. I highly doubt that it was a intentional thing, that somebody was trying to hit him in the hand with a pit board. That's just the dumbest thing I could possibly see. And I can't, man. People are so jaded and angry that they would think somebody else would do this intentionally. No, it's so dumb. But it's not really the point here. Just gotta say, good job to Joe Shimoda to, one, finish where he did, race the whole night like this, finish well, mitigate the, point problem for himself, and hopefully, coming up, those fingers aren't a problem and he can heal up well. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me, what did you think of San Diego? Who do you think is going to win the titles? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.